We all are familiar with this word coding. There are many people those are coder, but do you know 70 to 80% of them cannot explain what coding actually is? So we are here to give you a proper outlook what coding actually is and why is it important for you, and is it actually okay to learn coding in this age? So with these questions in our mind, let's begin our journey with this simple question: what is coding? Let's start with a story. One day one of my friend asked me,
Hey, you are genius. You do lot of coding. I hope I would be like you. But can you define what is coding?
but that time I stuck. I have no simple answer to answer this question. And then I found out I'm not the only one with this. This thing happens with many coders as well. So let's see what actually we meant by coding. Let's take a factory for example. There are many people working, right? Like engineers, workers, and managers. So now to run this factory, the manager must tell the worker what to do. For example, make these parts, assemble them, and packing them. Now think yourself as a manager, but rather than human workers, you have computers and robots. But there is a small problem. Neither you know their language nor they do. So what do you think? What you can do now? The best way is you have to learn their language to communicate with them. Coding is exactly like this. You are learning the language of computers to tell them what to do, like play this cartoon video, or run this game, or even play YouTube. Isn't this sound simple and easy? Let me know in the comments.
So, I hope guys you get the basic idea about the coding and in future you will not get stuck again. If anybody asks, अरे भाई ये coding क्या है?